In ancient Egyptian tombs, archaeologists have discovered sealed jars of honey that are thousands of years old. And in some cases, the honey was still preserved. Not rotten, not moldy, not spoiled. How is that possible? Why doesn't honey go bad like almost every other food on Earth? The answer isn't magic. It's chemistry and bees. Honey doesn't start as honey. Bees collect nectar from flowers. Nectar is mostly sugar and water, sometimes up to 70 to 80% water. Back in the hive, bees begin transforming it. They repeatedly consume and regurgitate the nectar, adding enzymes each time. One important enzyme is called glucose oxidase. This enzyme helps produce small amounts of hydrogen peroxide, a natural antimicrobial compound. At the same time, bees fan their wings to evaporate moisture from the nectar. By the time honey is finished, its water content drops to about 17 to 18%. That's extremely low for a food product. What bees create is not just sweet, it's chemically defensive. Most bacteria, mold, and fungi need water to grow. In microbiology, this is called water activity. Honey has very low water activity. When microbes land in honey, the high sugar concentration pulls water out of their cells through osmosis. They essentially dehydrate. In simple terms, honey is too dry for most microbes to survive. Honey is also acidic. Its pH ranges between about 3 and 4.5. Many harmful bacteria prefer neutral conditions. Between low water, high sugar, and acidity, honey becomes a very hostile environment for spoilage. Ancient Egyptians valued honey highly. It was used in food, medicine, religious offerings, and burial practices. In sealed tombs, honey has been found preserved for thousands of years. It may crystallize over time. It may darken. But crystallization is not spoilage. It's simply glucose forming solid crystals. If gently warmed, crystallized honey returns to liquid form. Now compare that to many modern processed foods. They often contain higher moisture, fats that oxidize, and proteins that degrade. In fact, honey is sometimes used in wound care because of its antimicrobial properties. It is one of the rare natural substances that is both food and preservative. Honey is not just sweet. It is the result of precise biological engineering by bees. They concentrate sugars, remove water, and add protective enzymes. The result is a substance designed to endure. So when you drizzle honey into tea, you're tasting something that could, under the right conditions, outlast civilizations. Not because it's magical, but because nature understood chemistry long before we did. Stay curious and follow 5 Minutes of Wonder for more interesting facts.